It's me, RisikaPoudel from grade 10, standing on the stage to convey a speech about Children's Day. 29th of Bhadra is observed as National Children's Day in Nepal. On 14th September 1990 AD, Nepal had signed and approved protocol passed by UN Convention on Child Rights. To remember that day, Nepal started to mark 29th of Bhadra as National Children's Day since 2063 BS. The person under the age 18 is called child. Childhood is the best part of human life. A person's psychological situation depends upon their childhood. Children are the birds of today and the flowers of tomorrow. Celebrate our today with the leaders of tomorrow. Children are the building blocks of the nation, and hence the situation of the nation depends upon how they are brought up. This day is a reminder that every child deserves education and the best of everything. Dennis Wickley once said, "The greatest gift you can give your children are the roots of responsibilities and the wings of independence." It means that children themselves are a gift of God. The two things that a parents can provide their children are responsibility and independence. Responsibility and independence are the both abilities that helps to succeed in life. Responsibility is the ability to control and manage one's own life, whereas independence is the ability to take responsibility of one's life without any unnecessary reliance on the helps of others. A country depends upon healthy, protected and educated children. The earth reveals its innocence through the smiles of children. So, starting from this Children's Day, let's eliminate all the discrimination, organize campaign, or at least treat every child equally. Children carry the hopes for our brighter tomorrow and the dreams of our happy future. We children of the world are the symbols of promise and potentials. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.